The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is a legendary American truck brought back to life with modern engineering, bold styling, and serious performance, while still keeping its timeless classic truck soul. Artos Hub proudly brings you this icon because this truck is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of power, heritage, and utility combined into one stunning machine. The exterior of the 2026 Chevy 3100 looks like it came straight out of the golden era of American trucks, but everything has been upgraded for the modern world. The rounded fenders, bold front grille, and wide stance give it that old-school pickup look, while the LED headlights, sharp body lines, and modern aerodynamics make it feel brand new. The truck sits high, proud, and aggressive, making it look just as good parked in a driveway as it does rolling down the highway. Every curve of the body reminds you of the original 1950s Chevy trucks, but with a futuristic touch that turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is no longer just a slow-working truck. It is a performance beast. Powered by a modern V8 engine, this truck produces massive torque and strong horsepower, allowing it to haul, tow, and accelerate with ease. Whether you are carrying heavy loads, pulling a trailer, or simply enjoying a powerful drive, this pickup delivers smooth yet aggressive performance. The engine sound is deep and powerful, giving that true American truck feeling every time you press the accelerator. The suspension system has been completely redesigned for the modern era. The 2026 Chevy 3100 is built to handle both rough roads and smooth highways with comfort and control. You can drive it through city streets, countryside roads, or construction zones without feeling unstable or uncomfortable. The chassis is stronger and lighter, making the truck more responsive and easier to handle than the original classic models. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is where classic charm meets modern luxury. The dashboard design keeps a retro look, but now features digital displays, modern infotainment, and advanced controls. The steering wheel, gauges, and interior materials are all designed to make the driver feel connected to the truck while still enjoying comfort. Premium leather seats, climate control, and noise insulation make long drives relaxing and enjoyable. Safety has also been upgraded for today's world. The 2026 Chevy 3100 includes modern braking systems, stability control, traction control, and multiple airbags, making it not only powerful, but also safe to drive. This truck is built for people who want a classic design without sacrificing modern protection. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is more than just a truck. It is a lifestyle. It is for people who love classic American machines, but also want the comfort and reliability of today's vehicles. Whether you use it for work, cruising, or showing off, this pickup delivers in every way. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is built to be much more than a beautiful classic truck. Beneath its retro-inspired body lies serious modern engineering that transforms this legendary workhorse into a powerful and capable machine. Every part of this truck has been redesigned to deliver strength, speed, and durability, while still keeping the spirit of the original Chevy 3100 alive. At the heart of the 2026 Chevy 3100 is a modern high-output V8 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and massive torque. This engine is tuned not just for speed, but for pulling power. Whether you are towing heavy equipment, hauling cargo, or driving on long highways, this engine responds smoothly and aggressively. The throttle response is instant, giving the driver full control over the truck's power. The deep rumble from the exhaust reminds you that this is a true American muscle truck wrapped in a classic body. The transmission system is fully updated, offering smooth gear changes and better fuel efficiency compared to older trucks. With advanced automatic or performance manual options, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 delivers power to the wheels without hesitation. This makes the truck feel confident and stable, even when fully loaded or driving uphill. The drivetrain is engineered to handle both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks with equal reliability. The suspension setup is one of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 Chevy 3100. Unlike old classic pickups that felt stiff and bouncy, this modern version uses advanced shock absorbers and reinforced springs. This allows the truck to absorb bumps easily, while still remaining firm when carrying weight. The result is a ride that feels controlled, comfortable, and strong no matter where you drive. Braking performance has also been dramatically improved. Large disc brakes on all four wheels provide strong stopping power, even when the truck is fully loaded. Advanced anti-lock braking and stability control systems help keep the truck safe during sudden stops or sharp turns. This makes the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 much safer and more predictable than any classic pickup from the past. The frame and body structure are built using modern materials that are both lighter and stronger. This gives the truck better performance, improved fuel economy, and enhanced safety. The truck feels solid and planted on the road, giving the driver confidence at all speeds. Even with all this modern technology, the 2026 Chevy 3100 still feels like a classic truck. The power, the sound, and the driving position all remind you that this machine was built to work hard and look good doing it. It combines old-school toughness with new-school precision, making it one of the most exciting retro pickups ever created. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is not just about raw power and classic looks. It is also designed to be a comfortable, practical, and enjoyable truck to live with every day. Inside, this legendary pickup has been completely modernized while still keeping the soul of a vintage Chevy truck. The cabin of the 2026 Chevy 3100 blends classic styling with modern luxury. The dashboard features a clean, retro-inspired design, but behind that old-school look sits advanced digital technology. A large touchscreen display is seamlessly integrated into the dash, giving drivers access to navigation, media, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. Everything is easy to reach and simple to use, making long drives relaxed and enjoyable. The seats are designed for both comfort and support. Unlike old classic pickups with flat bench seats, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 offers ergonomically shaped seats with premium leather or high-quality fabric options. They provide excellent back and leg support, making the truck perfect for long highway drives as well as daily commuting. Heating and ventilation options make the cabin comfortable in all seasons. Interior space has been carefully engineered to feel open and practical. There is plenty of headroom and legroom, allowing even tall drivers to sit comfortably. Smart storage compartments are placed throughout the cabin, giving you space for tools, personal items, and everyday gear. This makes the 3100 just as useful for work as it is for lifestyle driving. The steering wheel and control layout are built to give the driver full control and confidence. A modern digital gauge cluster displays speed, fuel, engine performance, and safety alerts in a clear and stylish way. Advanced driver assist features such as parking sensors, rear-view cameras, and collision alerts make the truck easier and safer to drive in busy areas. The 2026 Chevy 3100 also shines when it comes to reliability and ownership value. Built with modern materials and engineering, it requires less maintenance than classic trucks while offering much better durability. This makes it a smart, long-term investment for people who love classic pickups but also want modern reliability. Fuel efficiency is also improved compared to older trucks, meaning you can enjoy the power of a V8 without excessive running costs. Combined with Chevrolet's strong reputation for durability, the 3100 offers peace of mind for daily use. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup delivers the perfect mix of comfort, technology, and classic character. It is a truck that looks like a legend, drives like a modern machine, and feels like a premium vehicle inside, making it one of the most appealing retro-style pickups of 2026.